Hey, what's up, guys? Today is February the 2nd, 2018. Happy Friday. Please cut the music. Today I overtraded. I broke my rules, and when I break my rules, I really break my rules. I'm supposed to, there's a lot of, not a lot, but there's a few rules in there. I won't go into all of them, but specifically, I did pretty good on my setups as far as following the rules for the setups. What my chart's supposed to look like if I enter a play. I did all that. What I messed up on was the amount of plays I took. I took 10 plays. I actually took a little tiny bit more than 10 because I played a couple tickers twice. And also specifically, I'm only supposed to take 4 trades max in the morning session, and then I can take up to 8 trades total all day. And I had taken 8 trades before lunch. So that's pretty bad. All right, let's just get right on into it. Since we got so many, we have to blaze through these really fast. Come on. Oh, and I noticed also really quick that these types of days happen for me when I start out with 2 losers. Sometimes when I start out with 1 loser, but when I start off the day on a bad foot, it seems to snowball. So, mental note, when I listen back to this, I need to figure out a way to stop that from happening, because I can identify every time I kind of go on one of these little sprees like this, it always starts off with losing right out of the gate in the morning. Okay. Now let's blaze through these. SQ is the first play, shorted them right here. And came up and got my stop. Next play, INSM. I went long right here. Came and got me. Next play, X. Shorted them right here and covered right here. Next play, S-Fly. I shorted them right here. I thought we filled the gap and we were going to come back down. Excuse me. And come back down, but that was not the plan. Next play, RH. Long this one right here, and I was trying to shoot them up into this area right here, but surprisingly, I called the top. Basically, I didn't know that was the top. All I knew was this candle ran up really strong, and then this one started running up, and I thought we were really going on a run. So when this thing pulled back, I'm sitting here thinking, that looks kind of like a thin bar to me, and I'm thinking, or a shooting star, or whatever. I'm thinking it may turn around. So this next candle shoots up right here, and when it pulls back a little bit, I'm like, no, I didn't want it to pull back at all. So I went ahead and got out right there. That was a thought process. Next play, HOG, crying on the recap. This thing really ran without me. Shorted it right here and covered right here. Next play, GDS, covered right here. And that arrow is, shorted right here and cover on this candle right here. Anyway, so right there, 1, 2, on this third candle, I covered. Next play, QRVO, shorted right here. When I saw this pin bar, I had to wait for this candle to close to know that that's what it was. So after this candle closed, as soon as this next candle started up higher, I immediately got out because I knew it was reversing on me. And so that was a really small win right there. Next play, SQ, what time is this? I think I took this right before lunch. Okay, I played this one. This is the first one I played this morning. Yeah, I played this one right before lunch started. This was very frustrating because it came exactly to my stop, I long right here, literally hit my stop to the T, turned around and went to my price target. So that one could have kind of put me over the edge probably. This is how it goes. Next, and now these last two plays are after lunch plays. ESIO. Yeah, if I would have hung in there, I could have got a small profit. But anyway, I shorted right here. I was wondering what this thing did. I'm just now seeing it for the first time. It's sitting right here. Okay, I shorted right here, and when it came back up over VWAP, I covered for really small. I think my stop was like way up here. Next and last play, S-Fly. I really wanted a short S-Fly today. The daily RSI was like 93 or 94 or something. And I thought, at some point during the day I would catch him. And there is another hour left. I don't know what they'll do today. But I tried it right here. I shorted him right here. And this almost came and got my stop. Turned back around. I was in profit. And then it just started climbing. Stopped me out. And that was the last play. So if we include the ones I played a couple of times at like a ticker that I played twice, like this one, if we count that as one and total up the losses and wins to equal one number, that then counting those as one, I took 10 plays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, I'm sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry, 11. 11 and 4, 5. So 6 losses and 5 wins. Totaled up. But there was more than that. More plays than that. So I got to get with the program on Monday and follow my rules. I got to do my punishment. I think I told you guys about that. So it looks like I get to hit the gym today. Luckily, even though I'm in the red, I'm not in the red super large, but I'm not really thinking about that as much as the fact that I feel like I went a little bit crazy today. So I got to rein that in for sure. So I was doing really good following my rules, and I was almost focused more on the chart part of my rules, making sure that all the things that I need to line up on my chart before I get into play, I was so focused on those, and it looks like one of the smaller items on there, which is the amount of trades I'm supposed to take. Just like today, all of these plays I took lined up correctly on the chart, but I just took too many plays. That was the one rule that was broken. So I got to follow all the rules. Okay, that's a wrap. Gone long enough. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.